come the gales, here come the gales, here come the gales, here come the gales.
How many roads must a man walk down before he falls on his arse? How long before the government turns into a weather forecast? They used to run health and education, now they just tell us when the weather's bad. It might be windy and it might be blowing a gale, but Hurricane Bawbag's t-shirts are on sale. How many years can a government say, look out for the wind and the snow, before we realise that we just have to look out of the window? How many times can a government say fags and booze are bad for your health? Scott mid-carrier bags blowing in the wind, and Greg's wrappers blowing in the wind. How many times must a government say we're heading for a big freeze? How many pandas do we have to lease to be busy mates with the Chinese? How many times must Dylan be parodied every time it gets a bit blowy? It might be windy and it might be blowing a gale, but Hurricane Bawbag's t-shirts are on sale. Look out your window for big trampolines blowing in the wind.
Oh my god, trampoline! Trampoline!
Oh ja, daar.
Oh my god, oh my god.